Welcome to Drybones Garage. This is just a quick little experiment Dad and I tried about a year ago concerning the preservation of our trailer deck. I just so happened to film some of it, so I hope you guys find it enjoyable.
Are you gonna smear grease on it?
This is now mostly diesel fueled, kiddo.
Isn't that flammable or does that not matter?
It'll dry.
What does that do?
It seals the deck. This thing was coated in mold last year, right?
Diesel repels mold?
So keep the deck from rotting, yes. When we got this thing, the deck was punky as too, right? If you remember, we were actually dropping logs through the deck on that one haul. Had to pull over and pick a couple up and kind of reconfigure the pile. And then we redid this in Nevada. We coated it with, what's that stuff? We used it inside your car. I'm having a frame bart though. Weather is not perfect. The deck isn't as dry as I'd like, but our schedule being what it is, this is as good as it's gonna get. And I saw a guy do this. About 2 days later, it was bone dry, clean to the touch. So we're gonna do this on this. And if it works great, that's gonna be our method moving forward of preserving this. Or we'll do like your grandpa did and lay down an aluminum, I don't know if you want to call it a wear layer or a finish layer.
Is it just me or does dirt just keep spawning?
Does what?
Just keep spawning on the deck.
Yeah, that's why we're doing this. Seal the pores up so it doesn't keep doing that.
You look like a pirate mopping a deck or something. Or
With pitch. I don't think this is going to be enough. You want to grab the that yellow jar?
Yes, Dad.
This still looks like it's probably a little bit too much on the oil side, not enough on the fuel side.
What? This is heavy.
Run, Forrest, run!
Well, it's kind of heavy when I'm turning it.
I know, that's why I'm laughing.
Doesn't look so disgusting. I like the way it smells though. I think gasoline is kind of a polarizing thing, the smell of it. It's not gasoline, but I don't know.
Now I think we might be a little light on the oil side.
Oh, you put oil in there.
The diesel thins it out, and then the oil soaks into the pores and seals this up.
Probably not a good idea to lay down on it. Oh wait, you said it dried up.
Not for a while anyways. But the guy took a white rag to his trailer, if I recall. He took a rag to it. And it was clean when he pulled it up. Or at least reasonably clean. I don't think this is enough though, if I'm honest. This looks far too diesel and not enough oil.
Is this used?
Let's just drain oil, yeah. Go a little more. It's about a pint, double that. Yeah, stop about there. We'll see how this does. I don't want to go ape with this because this is our first time trying this. And we know there's weather coming in a couple days. So if this doesn't dry in like it's supposed to, we don't want this tearing up the yard, getting into our groundwater. We want this as close to finished as possible.
Uh-oh.
That's why I bought the cheapest mop I could find on Amazon.
It'd be kind of cool to see it light up in flames if somebody threw a match on here.
Nah, it ain't gonna happen.
No?
If we were using gas, it could. But diesel, it's either got to be highly atomized or under a significant amount of compression. Whee! I don't think we're doing anything different. Granted, I watched this guy last summer when I was looking for options. It's like, that's a good idea. That looks pretty well coated.
Yeah.
Okay. That's a good 2 coats there.
Well, over a year later it did okay, but it's definitely ready for a recoat. We pressure washed it once and it got fuzzy, so this time we plan to deburr it with some 180 grit paper. After that, we're planning on resealing it with a little more oil mixed in with the diesel. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment them down below, and thank you for watching.